Hello guys, now today I am explaining here chapter 4 determinant. First I will explain basic concept of determinant. As we know that student, if A is a matrix which have order pair n cross n, it means it have order n into n. What is the meaning of n into n? It means number of rows and number of column are equal. It means this matrix is a square matrix. So, if we want to find out determinant of any matrix, it should be firstly that it should be a square matrix. So, if we have given a square matrix A11, A22, A21, A22. What is the order of this matrix? 2 cross 2. Now, n element are real or complex should be. It means in a matrices we have learned their element only there are real. But in a determinants it should be real or complex. Now, it is a square matrix. Now, we will denote it by determinant like this and also det A equal to, we will draw here two parallel lines and all of element are right here. So, it show the determinant form. Now, if I have considered here an example, suppose A is a square matrix 2, 4, 6, 1 have element, then how can we will find out the determinants of this? So, for finding the determinants, we will doing here cross multiply. A11 multiply by A22. It will 2 into 1 minus sign A12 4 into A21. Then we will get what? 2 minus 24. It means minus 22. It is the value of determinant A equal to minus 22. It means we can only find out the determinant any square matrix. Suppose student, we have to consider here cubic matrix. First I will explain here how can we will write determinant A equal to what? A11 multiply them A22 minus A21 A12. It is the value of determinant of. Now, how can we will solve determinants of matrix order 3 cross 3? So, as we know that it is a matrix A which have order 3 cross 3. Now, we will find out the determinants of this matrix. So, we have to write like this. Now, here student, we will expanding here along first row. It is a first row, we know that, and it is a first column. It is a first row, first column. So, corresponding to first row, first element is here. So, we will delete it here first row and first column. A11. Now, remaining are A22, A23, A32, A33 here. Okay, like this. Now, second, corresponding to second element of first row, it is a second column. So, we will delete it here. We will delete it here second column and first row. Remaining are A21, A23, A31, A33. So we have to write here Now here again we will solve third element of first row. So deleted here third row and first row. Remaining are A21, A22, A31, A32. Now we have to write here like this. Then we will solve these three determinants similarly 2 cross 2 matrix. How can? -1 exponent 1 plus 1. Why? We will put here 1 plus 1 because here first column, first row, first column. So 1 plus 1. Here A12. What is the meaning? First row, second column. 1 plus 2. Here is A13. First row, third column. So we have to write -1 exponent 1 plus 3. So it will become positive A11. Now we will multiply here cross A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. Okay. Then here -1 exponent 1 plus 2 3. It means minus sign. Again A12. Okay. Now again we have to multiply A21 into A21 A33 minus A23 into A31. Now for this -1 exponent 4, it will become positive A13 as it is. So A21 A32 and minus A22 A31. So this is the answer of determinant of A. And we will expand here along first row. Student, if we will expand here along first column, then we will get same answer here. Okay, how can? Let's see. Now expanding along first column. So let's see. First column is this is C1. So we will expand here along this column. Okay. So it means this column is a common. Now again first element, it means -1 exponent 1 plus 1. We should write here firstly. Okay. Now we will delete it here first row and first column. So remaining are what? A11, remaining are A22, A23, A32, A33. Okay. Now from first column. So we will consider here in a column is A21. Next element is A21. A21 -1 exponent 2 plus 1. Second row, first column. A21. Now remaining, we will delete it here second row because second row is deleted. This row is deleted. So remaining are A12, A13, A32, A33. Okay. Now for third element of first column, -1, third row, first column, A31. Okay. Now deleted which row here? Third row. We will delete it here. Okay. So this row is deleted. Now remaining are A12, A13, A22 and A23. Now we will solve again similarly as we solve expanding along first row. So how? -1 exponent 2, it will become positive A11. Okay. Now multiply them. A22 A33 minus A23 A32. minus 1 exponent 2 plus 1 3, minus 1 exponent odd number, so it will be become negative a21. Here is a12 into a33 minus a13 a32. Okay, now next minus 1 exponent 3 plus 1 4, it will be become positive here. Okay, a31, then multiply here a12 a23 minus a13 a22. So these are the solution if we will expand any determinant along with first row. So student, as we observe here, if we will expand any matrix along with first row or first column, then we will get answer is same. Here student, if we will write here these four position are negative because 2 plus 3 5, odd number, 3 plus 2 5, odd number, 2 plus 1 odd number, 1 plus 2 odd number. So these four position we will consider here negative sign, and all remaining are rest of are positive. Now student, I am explaining here question number 5 of exercise 4.1. We will find out here its determinant along with row or along with column. So first along with row. So let's see, this is 3 a11 3 and remaining are these 4 0 minus 1 minus 5 0. Here is minus position and minus also here, then minus 1. Okay, second column is deleted and first row is deleted, so points elements are 0 minus 1 3 0, 0 minus 1 3 0. Okay, now third column is deleted and first row remaining are 0 0 3 and minus 5. Now solve them. 3 0 into 0 0 minus 1 minus 5 plus 5 and minus sign is here, so it will become negative. Minus minus plus 0 3 into 1 minus 3 or formula, then plus 3 minus 2 again 0 minus 0. Now we will get the answer 3 into minus 5 minus के 15, 1 into 3 plus 3 plus 0, then we will get minus 12. It means determinant of A equal to minus 12 if we will solve here along with row. Now other side we will solve this determinant along with column. Column is here, so 3. First we have write here again 3, then first row and first column are deleted, remaining are same, so we have to write here 0 minus 1 minus 5 0. Now minus sign because we will consider here this first column along with first column along with column. Okay, so 0 and remaining are same, so second row and first column are deleted, then remaining minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 and 0. Okay, now next is third row. In a first row, third element is this 3, therefore third row and first column are deleted here, remaining are minus 1 minus 2 0 and minus 1. Now we will solve here, then 3 0 minus 5 into minus 1 minus 5, it will be positive and minus sign is from formula. here is 0, so it will be become 0 because 0 minus same, and plus 3 plus 3 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 0 into minus 2 means plus 0. Then we will get here what? 3 into minus 5 minus 15, it will be become 0 and 3 1 ja 3. Now we will get here minus 12. So student, as we observe here, in both condition we will get same value of determinant of a minus 12. It means in any condition, if we will find out the value of along with row and along with column, we will get same value here. Now next property is, if we have given any matrix, then how can we will find out the determinants? It's very easy, as we know that we have done. But here student, we have observed here these two zeros are here. So if we will find out the determinant of any matrix, we will solve here, expand here the determinant along that row or column which contain maximum zeros. It means which column is contained here maximum 0. Here as we observe, here is no 0, here is 1, here is 1. Now here is no. But in third column, how many zeros are contained? 2 zeros. So we will solve here, expand by along with C3 column. How can? Let's see. And we will get solution is very easily. How can? Let 1. Okay, not 1. First 3. 3 is here. So it is deleted. First row and third column deleted. Then we will get minus 1, 3, 4, 1. Now here is 0, minus sign. So which is this column, and second row is deleted. Remaining are minus 1, 2, 4, 1. Okay, now this 0 is here. So third row and third column deleted. Minus 1, 2, minus 1 and 3. Now as we know that here is multiple already 0, so it will be become 0. Okay, now we will solve only this. First determinant, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 12, then 3 into minus 13, we will get minus 39, which is the determinant of A. Question number 7 of exercise 4.1. How can we will find the value of F if we have given two determinants are equal here? It is a 4, not Y. So we will solve here both sides. Determinant 2 1 ja 2, 5 4 ja 20, and other side 2x into x, 2x square, 6 into 4, 24. Now we will get minus 18 equal to 2x square minus 24. It is goes to this side, it will be become 2x square, 24 minus 18. Therefore 2x square equal to 6. Here is x square equal to 3. Then x equal to plus minus root 3. It is the value of x. So student, basic concept of exercise 4.1 is finished today, and this exercise is very easy. I have already done here some important questions which are little bit difficult also. So try to do yourself remaining question. Thank you for watching video.